A meningioma diagnosis feels frightening, but most are slow-growing and treatable. Here's what surgery actually involves. A meningioma grows from the meninges, the thin layers wrapping the brain. Most are benign, but they can press on nearby structures. Doctors typically consider surgery when the tumor causes symptoms, is growing on scans, or presses on critical brain structures. Not every meningioma needs removing. Small, symptom-free tumors are often simply watched with regular MRI scans over time. The standard operation is a craniotomy. The surgeon temporarily removes a small section of skull bone to reach the tumor underneath. Using an operating microscope and computer-guided navigation, surgeons carefully separate the tumor from surrounding brain tissue and blood vessels. Neurosurgeons call the goal maximal safe resection, removing as much tumor as possible without harming critical brain structures. The bone piece is fixed back in place with tiny titanium plates. The scar usually sits behind the hairline, hidden once hair regrows. Most patients spend 1 or 2 days in intensive care, then move to a regular ward. Total hospital stay is usually 4 to 7 days. Fatigue is common in the early weeks. Headaches usually settle within a month, and many people return to office work within 2 to 3 months. All brain surgery carries some risk: bleeding, swelling, infection, seizures, or temporary weakness. Serious complications are uncommon in experienced hands. Grade 1 meningiomas that are completely removed often have excellent long-term control. MRI follow-up continues for several years to watch for regrowth. For higher grade or partially removed tumors, radiation may be added. A multidisciplinary team usually decides the plan together. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost.
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.